Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show how to fix Spotify playing random songs. For this, open Play Store and on search bar type Spotify. First, you need to update your Spotify. After your update, open your Spotify app. Now in Spotify, go to the option Your Library. Now select any playlist. Now here you can watch option cross arrow. By turning off the option, you can fix the Spotify playing random songs. After turning it off, Spotify will not play random songs. Hope you like the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like the tutorial. Thank you for watching the video.